Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Marks and I am a clinical pharmacologist and acute physician with my clinical practice base at University College London Hospital. My main interest as a clinical pharmacologist is in drug discovery and early phase clinical trials, but I also do a lot of teaching on use of medicines and safe prescribing. As well as continuing to provide frontline clinical care to patients, one of my key areas of focus as a clinical pharmacologist during COVID-19 has been to oversee the safety of patients taking part in clinical trials and to ensure that the integrity of trial data is preserved. This has involved thinking about the possible impacts of experimental drugs on the risk of the patient catching COVID or of developing severe disease. Similarly, we have had to factor in the ability to continue to safely monitor patients when their access to clinics may be reduced by lockdown. Having to run clinical trials during a pandemic is an extraordinary and unprecedented situation. I have been really encouraged at the spirit of collaboration between investigators, study sponsors, and regulatory agencies. It has made us all reflect on what is critical in clinical trial design and what may be extraneous, as well as how we might deliver more assessments and monitoring virtually or close to the patient. Although we are hopefully now starting off on the path back to normality, I believe there are several lessons from the COVID-19 experience that will allow us to embed positive, patient-focused changes in the way we design and conduct our clinical trials for the future.